I feel like calling that woman again.
What are you saying?
It will be fun to see you get beaten up, right?
It was a good opportunity to throw Damini out of the house, but
But what?
Gungun, you know, never before has my photo been published in the newspaper.
You saw the photo in the newspaper. Didn't you read what's written about it?
Wait a minute. Please calm down. Greetings. What has happened?
why are you creating a ruckus? Did someone's buffalo run away?
I think your girl has run away.
Lord Krishna, please protect my grandma and dad.
Aunt, why are you so angry? Radha is not at fault.
I am to be blamed, Kadambari. I believed you and your son and left my granddaughter over here.
Grandma Radha is not at fault. Since she isn't at fault, she shouldn't be punished.
It's good that you spoke about values, Mohan. I have understood what values you've been taught. Not every woman is capable of instilling good values in her children. That's the difference between a biological mom and a stepmom.
Whether it's a biological mom or a stepmom, every mom is special. And as far as values are concerned, my mom has taught me to be good to good people as well as bad people. So Radha will not go anywhere.
Who gave you the right to say this? How are you related to Radha?
Me? I am her teacher and she is my student. I teach her, that's why I am saying she won't go anywhere. Radha, you keep saying that Lord Krishna is very dear to you. Am I right? And you also say that you can't go anywhere without him. So I am taking him with me. Now let me see how you leave the house, Radha. Give this to me, priest. I will take it.
What is this childish behavior? Return Radha's bag.
Oh, this is the last thing we want. The boat of her love is sinking, that Mohan is fighting with Radha's grandmother so that Radha can stay here. And this girl, is just watching.
I am not narrow-minded like you are, Mom. I won't be content with Radha leaving the house. I want her to get out of Mohan's life too. And for my next step, I need Radha to be here. The fourth part of my plan to ensure Radha's ruination is complete.
Let it be, Aunt. Mohan is also like a son to you.
He's like a son to me. But he's not a kid. He's a 35-year-old man. Why did he snatch the bag from us?
It's because he wants what's best for Radha. You may berate us all you want. You may question our upbringing too. But what do you want? Don't you want that Radha be happy wherever she goes? Then why are you taking her to hometown? As soon as you take her to hometown, all the villagers will gather in your house and berate her, and then they will wreak havoc in your house. Is that what you want? Instead of that, let her stay here. She will be at peace here. And Aunt, after spending so much of time with Radha, we have grown used to having her around. Don't take her away. If she leaves like this, then we won't like it at all. At least let her stay here for our peace of mind.
Why don't you understand? This is the calm before the storm. You must listen to me. I have been through a lot compared to you. Whether you believe me or not, I know it in my heart that we are going to face a lot of difficulties.
You are right about it, Grandma. I think you are a fortune teller.
That's why I'm sure about one thing. I won't leave Radha alone here.
You spoke my mind, Aunt. Listen to me. I have an idea. Until everything settles down, why don't you stay here with Radha? You just said that we are going to face a lot of difficulties. You are our elder. With your able guidance, our problems will be solved.
There you go. First her granddaughter wasn't leaving from here, and now this grandma will also stay. I'm telling you, we'll set up a tent outside and call everyone from Barsana to stay here.
By the way, you know the Grandma's prophecy is absolutely right.
What?
She's right. Something bad is going to happen to Radha. Come on, let's have something sweet. Do you want to have ice cream? What?
Oh Lord, why are you playing games with this widow now? I have only one daughter who has completely lost her mind now.
Radha, only because of you, Mohan humiliated me today. And you didn't say a word in my defense. Why didn't you say anything?
Correct. You are absolutely right, Super Grandma.
What do you mean by supper, Grandma?
It's Super Grandma, not Super Grandma. I mean, you are greater than my grandma. You are right. That's how he is.
Who?
Who else? Mohan. If it were up to him, not just his family, he would rule over the country. First he used to hate Radha, but now he likes her. First he wanted Radha to leave the house, and now he wants her to stay. He always does the opposite of what everyone does. He spoke to you so rudely. Is that the way to speak to your elders?
Gungun, aren't you also bad-mouthing your dad?
Be quiet. When two sensible people are talking, you shouldn't interfere like this.
You are not only grandma, but super grandma. Please, super grandma. Don't scold Radha. She didn't do anything wrong. She never does anything wrong. Please, let her stay here. In this house, she's the only friend I have. if she leaves the house? Please, let her stay here.
Gungun?
Eat! You just sit here and have ice cream. And that two-fitted witch will eat up your life. I don't understand what spell she has cast on my son Mohan. He stopped her from leaving this house.
Mom, when do people eat sweets? When something good happens? It's a good thing that Mohan didn't let Radha leave. In fact, the last step of my plan will begin now, Mom.
But that girl is still living in this house. In this, what good are you able to find? Tell me, yeah, that you are eating sweets now?
Don't worry, Mom. Everything is going the way that Guru Ma wanted.
Hey, listen. Tell me, what did Guru Ma say? My stomach is rumbling. Please make it better by telling. Tell me.
You know, Guru Ma told me that...
Yes?
Let it be. Since you have waited for so long, why don't you wait a little more? Before the day comes to an end, you will find out everything. Today, Radha's game will be over. Here, have something sweet.
Rumbling, rumbling. Rumbling, rumbling. She could have told me before going. Oh Lord, what else will this widow have to go through? I should eat it.
Grandma Radha is not at fault. Since she isn't at fault, she shouldn't be punished. We need to teach girls to fight society, not to fear society. Grandma, if you take her back to the village, her life will be confined to doing the household chores. You are her grandmother. You should be saying all this. But no, you want to take her back to the darkness. Why? What are you asking from Lord Krishna? I solved everything. You are not going back with your grandma.
Mohan, I was not going to an unknown place, nor I was going with a stranger. She is my grandma. She came here to take me back home. And anyway, I am just a guest here. Sooner or later, I have to return home.
Guest. You are actually right. I forgot that you were a guest. So Radha, now please tell me, why were you crying?
Because I'm upset with you, Mohan.
Why?
You embarrassed me in front of my grandma. You insulted her as well. Mohan, you know, I have always considered you akin to God. I couldn't stop praising you. But today, you know, for the first time you spoke to my grandma and you humiliated my grandma. Is that right?
What I said that or... You remember what I said. But you seem to have forgotten what she said and did. Had I not interrupted, she would have beaten you and taken you away.
Whether she beats me or kills me. That's her right, Mohan. My grandma has raised me. I admit that she is a bit strict, but it's because of her tough love that I'm safe even in this cruel world. I admit that neither of us was at fault today. But my dad and grandma were punished, right? The people of Barsana said such mean things to them. Mohan, whatever you did today was wrong. It was very wrong. I am really upset with you today.
बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं नैना जो मिल के रात जागते थे नैना शहर में पल के मीचते हैं यूं
She's always crying, but why do I feel bad for her today?
That's what I'm thinking too, Mohan. What is happening to you? Your stubbornness, your anger, your pain. Even I have never seen all this before. Once upon a time, you used to be logical and practical. Then why are you feeling bad for Radha today? Why are you so sad? Think about it, Mohan. Peek into your heart and see. And find out what is happening to you. And why.
Vishwanath! 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 Greetings, sir.
Greetings, sir. What happened? Why did you all take trouble of coming here? You could have called us.
I think they are here to see me. It must be about the temple.
Absolutely. We are here to talk about the temple only. But we need to talk to Vishwanath and Kadambari about it. Because there is nothing left to talk to you about, Rameshwar.
What is the matter, sir? Is everything okay?
Your ancestral temple in Barsana is one of the most pious and prodigious temples of Braj. Let me tell you that your ancestors did a wonderful job by constructing that temple. Just by worshipping at that temple, a person is blessed with prosperity. But you are bringing disgrace to your family and your ancestors.
Sir, please tell me, have we made a mistake?
Under the pretext of taking care of that temple, this priest Rameshwar, we have found out about everything what he has been doing. We have seen that you have kept the daughter of this priest at your home in order to entertain your son who is a widower.
What?
And this priest Rameshwar is not interested in taking care of the temple. He is interested only in money. And this greedy priest Rameshwar has forgotten his morals. And that is why he is doing all this and quietly tolerating all this.
So this was my daughter's plan. Wow, she is better than her mother.
And ma'am, at least I expected from you a lot better behavior than others. But you are also staying here to satisfy your greed. You should be renouncing worldly desires, but you are running after them.
Priest, you may insult me all you want, but I swear on Lord Krishna that my granddaughter Radha is as pure as River Ganga. She has not done anything wrong.
First of all, you kept the priest's daughter at your home and utilizing her to entertain your son. If that was the case, you could have sent your son to a counter-send for entertainment. Why did you utilize this priest for your advantage?
Watch your tongue, priest, or else I...
Mohan, stop it.
Mom,
he
he's...
is the head priest, don't you know that?
But Mom, you...
How dare you disrespect him? Apologize to him.
But Mom, you...
Apologize to him, Mohan. I am telling you something, Mohan. Apologize.
Damini, I cannot tell you how happy I am feeling today. It feels so much amazing to see this side. Kadambari and Vishwanath getting humiliated. They keep boasting about their reputations, their status. Look what has happened now.
You stay in their house and you are happy with their humiliation. People like you and Damini should rot in hell.
Wow, my child, wow. Looking at your anger and your demeanor, I am absolutely convinced that whatever decision I have made is absolutely correct one.
Which decision, sir?
All of us have collectively taken a decision that there will be a trust formed for this temple. And the management of this temple will not be done by your family, but the trust will handle it. And the same trust will also appoint a new priest. Because Rameshwar is no longer worthy of being a priest due to his bad deeds. A priest who is not greedy for money and wealth but focuses on worshipping God. Let's go, sir.
Sir, please listen. Mohan.
नैना थे आसमान के सितारे नैना ग्रहण में आज टूटते हैं यूं
Sir, please listen. I'm sorry, sir. I am at fault, so you should punish me and not Radha's family. With that temple, my family's devotion and reputation are associated. Please do not do this, sir.
The decision has been taken, my son. Nothing can be done now.
There must be a way to stop my family from losing its right over that temple, sir.
The temple and those associated with it need to have a clean reputation. Understood? And their reputation should be such that it should be acceptable by society. If it's possible, your family will have rights, otherwise not.
We understood it, priest. We know what we have to do to save the temple and our family's respect. We will get Radha married as soon as possible.
That hit the bullseye. Radha's marriage.
Yes. It is possible to achieve by getting her married and solve this problem. If you are ready to get your granddaughter married at the earliest possible, then we are ready to reconsider our temple decision. But till the time you don't get her married, our decision will not change. Let's go.
Okay. So, this is what you wanted to do? Radha's marriage? Anyways, it's good. Once this Radha gets married, then that witch will be out of your life forever.
She won't leave my life so easily, Mom. There is something left to be done.
What?
Come with me. Come.
Let's go.
नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं नैना जो मिल के रात जागते थे नैना शहर में पल के मीचते हैं यूं
First of all, you kept the priest's daughter at your home and utilizing her to entertain your widower son? And utilizing her to entertain your son? If that was the case, you could have sent your son to a countersign for entertainment. And this priest, Rameshwar, is not interested in taking care of the temple. He has forgotten the values of a priest and is tolerating everything quietly.
We understood it, priest. We know what we have to do to save the temple and our family's respect. We will get Radha married as soon as possible.
If you are ready to get your granddaughter married at the earliest possible, then we are ready to reconsider our temple decision.
Radha? Why are you crying, Radha? Please don't cry. You won't get married. I won't let you get married. I have got a good friend for the first time. I won't let you go like this, Radha. I will ask Mohan to help you out. I will ask him to make sure that you don't get married. And if he cannot do anything, then I'll go and talk to your grandma myself. I'll make a cute face and tell her, Super Grandma, don't get my best friend Radha married. And your Lord Krishna is also there to help you out.
Lord Krishna doesn't help those who cannot help themselves. You are right, Gungun. I should neither cry nor be afraid. This is the time to do something.
Life is about treading the path of honesty without fear. I'm happy that you completed this work with utmost dedication. An ideal daughter-in-law is the one who can even go against her family to preserve their reputation.
My dear sir, I am always looking to always support the truth. But I wonder if I made a mistake by going against my family and coming here.
My child, just like a true gold passes the test of fire, a strict teacher's teachings help one make progress in life that will be most helpful in your life. You have not only saved the reputation of the family and the family's prestige, but also done something beneficial for that priest's daughter, Radha. It will be really good for her if this news doesn't spread fast. And if she gets married soon, her life won't get ruined, that's for sure.
Sir, what happened was wrong, but the two of them aren't to be blamed for it. Radha's heart is purer than the Ganges, and Lord Krishna resides in Mohan, you know.
Lord Krishna resides in all the human beings. But your Mohan, he does not believe in the customs and traditions of this society. But I am really very happy that because of Mohan, Radha, who was to face a social stigma, you have really saved her from that. Your faith and love for your family has impressed me, and my blessings will be always with you.
Thank you, sir. I will take your leave.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye. Now will you tell me what is your plan?
Hold on, Mom. I will tell you everything from the beginning. You know, that day when I went to Guruma, she said to me that
There is only one way to separate Radha and Mohan for good. Find a suitor and get Radha married to him. Only then she will leave Trivedi Bhavan.
Oh.
And that is why I got Mohan and Radha's photo in the newspaper. And Radha's grandma came running here after seeing it to take Radha away from our house. And when I saw that Mohan wasn't letting Radha leave, I used my trump card, you know. The priest. Priest, please save my younger sister Radha and my family from this problem. I don't want their reputation to be ruined. And he agreed. Mom, our country might have progressed a great deal, but even today, if a girl's honor is affected, her family gets her married without thinking anything about it.
Yes, you are right.
And grandma thought of doing the same thing. Yes, had Radha's grandma not thought of that, I would have given her the idea of getting Radha married. You see, I am Radha's elder sister, so it is my responsibility to look after her. Am I right?
Yes, my daughter.
Anyway, shall we go home?
Yes.
The drama has just started. You will enjoy yourself as it unfolds.
Let's go then.
Let's go.
Granny, you call Radha stupid. I'm sorry, but you are being stupid. could you even think of getting Radha married? Granny, she's too young to get married. Tell me something. What has she seen in her life? What has she seen?
Tell me, Mohan, what else is left to see? Our family had been taking care of that temple for generations. That temple got snatched from us. This man's daughter was his pride. But today, because of that same daughter, he faced so much embarrassment. What else is left to be seen, Mohan? Tell me, what else is left? What will you show to his daughter? Tell me, what will you show her?
Dad? Dad, I know the villagers accused you of a lot of things. But did you consider them as truth? Since my childhood, you have given me the love of both mom and dad. You have instilled in me all the values that mom would have instilled in me. What makes you think that I can disregard my values?
No, Radha.
I'm your daughter. I'm your Radha. I will never do anything to bring you shame, Dad.
Look at him, Mohan. Look at this dad's helplessness. He trusts his daughter, but he's afraid of the society. He has instilled values in his daughter, but still he cannot save her from the taunts of society. Do you know why all this is happening? Because people didn't just question Radha. They question our characters too. A priest doesn't intend to make money in life. He just wants to earn virtues. But today, all his virtues turned into sins.
Granny, I know what happened to your family was wrong. But you cannot punish your granddaughter for someone else's mistake. By getting Radha married in haste, you can neither save your family's reputation nor save Radha's life from getting destroyed. Marriage is a pious relationship. And marriage should take place for a special reason. Like if you love someone or want to spend your entire life with someone, then and only then you can get married. One's marriage marks a new beginning for one. It's not an end to a problem. If you get her married out of the fear of society, it won't be a marriage but a compromise. And I'm telling you, Radha won't make a compromise. She won't get married. That's it.
Mohan,
Radha will get married. will get married when my grandma wants and to whoever she wants.
Have you become mad, Radha? Just tell me, will you ruin your life over such a small thing?
It might be a small thing for you, Mohan. But it shook the foundation of our family. I would prefer to die than see my dad ashamed and my grandma weeping, Mohan.
Okay, so will you ruin your life for your family?
A decision made for the family's sake brings happiness, Mohan. I can never destroy you. Do you know why? Because nothing in the world can match up to the love of one's family. You can argue with your family but can't dislike them.
He won't let Radha get married.
Radha will get married, Mom. She will get married. Then I'll be able to make Mohan mine.
Whatever she is saying, whatever she is doing, is for Radha's well-being.
Okay, she's Radha's grandma and we... Aren't we anything to Radha?
How are
No.
we related to Radha?
Will my oaths not be fulfilled, Lord Krishna?
So I, Gungun Trivedi, order you not to let her go away. Don't let her get married.
It would be better if Mohan didn't let Radha get married. So that we won't let Mohan and Damini get married.
She's truly one of a kind. There is no one like her. And never will be.